Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete Zapier account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in zapier.com. After doing that, you'll be led to the official website of Zapier. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the profile icon over here. What you have to do is click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find the option for settings over here. Simply click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the Zapier settings interface. You'll be able to access the settings from here. At left, you'll be able to find various options like my profile, notifications, security and data, etc. What you have to do is click on the third option, security and data. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the security and data interface. You'll be able to find the options related with security and data over here. Simply scroll down. Now in the section for data management, you'll be able to find various options over here. So in order to delete your account, what you have to do is click on the last option, that is delete my account. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you delete your account, your profile, all of your jabs, all of your connected accounts, any team accounts you own, any developer apps you own, any tables you own will be deleted. So what you have to do is simply click on this option, confirm it's you. Now you can see over here you'll have to log into your account in order to confirm. So what you have to do is enter your email or simply select the login method like Google, Facebook or Microsoft. So simply select your login method and click on the continue option. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Simply enter your password over here and click on the option continue. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll again be led to this kind of interface. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for delete my account. Simply click on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll have to verify the current email, and what you have to do is confirm you want to delete your account. So click on the field of email and enter your email over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now what you have to do is confirm you want to delete your account. Simply click on this field. Now what you have to do is type in delete in caps over here. After you do that, click on this option delete permanently that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, your account will be deleted. So that is how you delete Zapier account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.